Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to celebrate not only a graduate but a remarkable young woman. A girl who is brave, strong, and full of faith. A girl who looks at life not as an easy path, a challenge worth taking, and with confidence she is the pride of her father, the joy of her mother, and the playful companion of her lovely brother. With the love of her family, she is naughty to make her family laugh, and humble to value the love they give. She reminds us that courage and kindness can live in the same heart. Dear Inshal, today is your day. A day to honor your hard work, your faith, your strength, and the love you carry for your family. May you always walk with confidence, continue to face life's challenges with courage, and never lose that spark of laughter that makes you who you are. Congratulations to you,